हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दानिया's किचन। आज हम बनाने वाले हैं चिली चिकन। दिस इज़ yummy chicken recipe that goes really well with fried rice. For ingredients, you will need boneless chicken 500 grams. For marination, you will add half teaspoon of baking soda, black pepper and salt, 1 teaspoon each. Then you'll add flour yani maida 2 tablespoon, corn flour 3 tablespoon and 1 egg. For cooking, you will need oil 3 tablespoon, onion 1 medium size, capsicum red, green and yellow. You may use only green. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, corn flour for corn flour slurry, spring onion whites and greens separated. Then you need tomato ketchup 3 tablespoon, soy sauce 2 tablespoon, red chili sauce 2 tablespoon and white vinegar 1. Now we'll make the marination, for which you need salt, pepper and baking soda. To this we'll add the maida and corn flour, and finally we'll add 1 egg to this. We'll mix all the ingredients well in a mixing bowl and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. For frying, you take a pan and आप इसमें थोड़ा सा तेल डाल के फ्राई कर सकते हैं. Once the oil is heated, you add in all the pieces of chicken and fry until it is turned into golden brown. If you like the recipe that you're watching, then please go like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon so that you get notified. Now all these chicken pieces are turned into golden brown. We set them aside and move towards making the sauce. Sauce बनाने के लिए आप सबसे पहले तो पैन में तेल लीजिए. उसमें you add the ginger garlic paste. There goes the onions and capsicum. इसको आप एक 2-3 minutes तक cook कीजिए. Then you add the spring onion whites. After cooking for about 5 minutes, add the sauces to it. So we start with soy sauce. Mix well, then add the red chili sauce and the tomato paste. Finally, the white vinegar. Now mix all these sauces really well and cook about some time, and then you add the corn flour slurry. You may add some water to adjust the consistency. Now cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add the chicken pieces. We need to mix this well until all the chicken pieces are coated really well, and that's about it. Your amazing chili chicken recipe is ready to serve. If you like this video, please subscribe and bye bye.